Putting in a good word, understanding and using this helpful phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and useful phrase, put in a good word. This phrase is not only common in everyday English conversations but also carries a significant meaning in professional and personal contexts. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively. Put in a good word is an idiomatic expression used when someone asks another person to speak positively on their behalf, usually to a third party. It's often used in situations where someone is seeking a job, a favor, or any situation where a good recommendation can make a difference. For instance, if you're applying for a job, you might ask a friend who works at the company to put in a good word for you with the hiring manager. This phrase has interesting origins. Like many idioms, it's difficult to pinpoint its exact beginning, but it's believed to have evolved from the practice of character references in both personal and professional scenarios. Over time, putting in a good word became a shorthand for this type of personal recommendation. Using "put in a good word" is context-dependent. It's most appropriate in informal or semi-formal situations. Here are some tips. Be polite. When asking someone to put in a good word for you, always be courteous and respectful. Choose the right person. Ensure the person you're asking has a positive standing with the individual you're trying to impress. Timing is key. Ask at an appropriate time, not when someone is busy or unlikely to be receptive. Here's an example. I heard you know the manager at XYZ Corp. Could you possibly put in a good word for me? I'm applying for a position there. It's also important to consider cultural nuances. In some cultures, directly asking for a favor like this can be seen as forward or presumptuous. In others, it's a normal part of networking. Always be aware of these differences, especially in international or multicultural settings. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, put in a good word. It's a useful expression that can open doors and create opportunities when used correctly and respectfully. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about communication and relationships. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.